Welcome to Aruba, the secret baby beach resort, and it's an all-inclusive place, so it means you pay only once for your room and everything is included to your stay. So free drinks, free alcohol, free food, free restaurants, so basically everything for free. You don't have to think about like anything. You pay just once. So, and here is the resort itself. It's pretty nice. It's a brand new property. So they have bunch of restaurants, Italian, Japanese, and also the atmosphere inside this resort is pretty nice as well. So, and right now we are like located in a Preffered Club area. It's kind of a special area. They have something special in a bar, and this like cabanas and pool only for Preffered Club guests. And it's perfect for honeymoon if you are together. There is not a lot of people here, and also they share a pool bar with not preferred guests, and it's kind of the same. It's no slouch between prefer and not prefer. Even cooler in not prefer, because like they do a lot of activities, dancing, games, parties. They even have pool basketball court. So I would say not Preffered Club, cool, a lot of fun there. I like it. But in Preffered Club you are alone in your own private pool almost, with seagulls. Seagulls, your friends. So after pool I decided to go and get some coffee in coffee shop, and it's free as well. And then of course gym. I decided to try this gym out, and it's amazing. It's so huge, beautiful, with super duper incredible view. I like that. It's my favorite gym right now, but nobody exercises here. I don't know why. And finally through the window I discovered this baby beach, and it's amazing. They have day bed, they supply you with beer. You just need to go and enjoy it. It's incredible, turquoise water. So let's talk about breakfast restaurant, and it's amazing. They have huge selection of food, you know, like different type, pizza, meat, seafood, everything what you can imagine they have. And also they have ice cream, pastry, fruits, of course dessert. So usually from all-inclusive place you expected average food, you know, not that tasty as should be, but at this restaurant everything is so delicious. And of course we have beautiful view to baby beach from it. So, and now let's go to my room through the Preffered Club bar. We can get like some drinks there and special alcohol, and let's see what kind of room for this vacation. It's a Preffered Club, one king bed with private pool and jacuzzi outside. It's a pretty nice room. Let's do a quick room tour, and it costs 1400 per night. So, and also they give us free bottle of rum and free beach bag. Here is the coolest part, you know, old school shower door. Yeah, you see, zero privacy. Actually we have like a jacuzzi outside, and it's like mirroring our neighbor jacuzzi, so we can do like a jacuzzi party with our neighbors. It's cool, yeah, but it's private, it's semi-private. So the design of this room is really good. I like it a lot because like it's a brand new hotel. Everything's so stylish, and everything is free inside. Your minibar, huge bathroom with walk-in shower and cool design as well, and it has privacy door to your room. So, and of course we need to check the dusty places, and the most important part, it's our bed, and let's see how clean our mattress. Looks clean, no yellow stain, but here is hair. So, and of course I decided to try our private pool, and it's amazing. I have a lot of fun here. So I get ready myself for the dinner, and here is how looks this hotel at night, and it's really nice. I like this light decoration, and also they do have some concert and parties as well. And time to get some meal, and of course I decided to try a local restaurant. I mean, like, it's inside our hotel, and it was so delicious. I like this meat, I like my steak, I like plantains, I like fish, so they did really good job. And it's free, don't forget about it. Then of course I have to try Italian restaurant and try pasta and pizza. And I didn't expect it's so delicious, even better than in Italy. They did a great job with design, they have wine room, they have nice sitting areas outside. Overall it's a beautiful restaurant. And I think I'm not full enough, so I go to a sushi restaurant to try something new. And it's delicious. I like it. And I'm glad that they have dancing party because I feel a little bit overeat. So definitely I didn't expect such a good quality of everything at all-inclusive place, especially food and drinks. So and now time to summarize everything up. And this one was good, I like it. And also only very entertainment, perfect for romantic vacation or honeymoon. Overall the food is amazing, the drinks was amazing, and the atmosphere, the personal, I like it a lot, especially this baby beach. Baby beach is amazing. I'm not sure, but I assume that they building new structure. It's gonna be separate part between adults only and family friendly. Yeah, the only one problem I think like with Preffered Club, because like it really doesn't make any sense to go with it, because like you just basically eat the same food, the same drinks, you know. Yeah, you have like special area to go and swim, but I think like with other people like more fun to do like dancing stuff like over there, or like, you know, another activities. And now time to subscribe, and it's free. And also YouTube think that you're gonna love this video, just click it and watch it. Yeah, click it. Yeah, click.